How to add recipients on Remitly. Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll walk you through the processes of how you can add recipients on Remitly, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your Remitly account just like I have done here, and then once you're signed in, you're brought to the home page automatically. On this page, at the top part of the screen, you can see options like send money, transfer history, refer friends, alright, and then you can see other options as well. Once you can see this, move to the top right corner and then click on welcome. And after clicking on the welcome option, you can see settings, redeem offer, help, sign out. Just go ahead and click on settings. So after clicking on settings, you'll be brought to the settings page. On this page, by the left side of the screen, you can see options like profile information, notifications, recipients, payment methods, your privacy choices, legal resources. So I just go ahead and click on recipient since you're trying to add a new recipient. Now, this is the only recipient I have. If you want to add another recipient, all you need to do is to click on add new recipient, and then you can now go ahead and input the recipient's contact information, such as the person's first name, middle name, last name, person's phone number, address, email address, the actual address, the receipt for sending, and click on save. And then just like that, the recipient will be added to your account, such that when you want to send money and if you type out this information, it would be automatically sent. So that is how to do it. Very, very simple, quick and easy. Thank you for watching.